My God. I had to come back to the house. There's no point. Everything's just getting fucking soaked, and I'm not gonna, it's gonna get warm again. I'm gonna drag everything out. There it is. This is the ending. I'm glad I went out and at least pinned it, because I would have lost my fucking canvas. The whole thing would have flown off. Especially the tarp. I really want to get a more heavy-duty tarp now that's like thicker and heavier, and I need to finish it and like pin it real tight, because I can't see that close. Big cut yet. I mean, I haven't been in weather, so it's like, I've just been building it, so now I got a lot of homework. Tomorrow we were supposed to be chasing, but I'm gonna need to clean up. Hopefully it looks like it's passing. It's easing up. I mean, I was stoked for the rain, but gee, your fucking God. That was a little much. That was a little much. Okay, see we're on a slope. That's like the valley. I should have put it up back here, up on this hill. Kind of behind them. But then I'm not by the corral. It's okay, I love weather, and it's just water. All my furs are probably fucking wet. All my bedding's fucking wet. Oh, my books are probably wet. Shit! My nice book's there. Well, at least I got my next book in here. The Mammoth Hunters. I gotta go back out. I gotta grab some shit. God damn it.